Your second brain is dying after 65. Here's how to save it. It often starts quietly. A bit more bloating after meals. A strange heaviness in your gut that lingers. Perhaps some days where your digestion just stalls. For adults over 65, these aren't isolated incidents. They are signs that your gut, once resilient, is now struggling to keep pace with age-related changes. The truth is, your digestive system evolves as you grow older, and if you don't adapt your habits accordingly, it will signal distress in subtle but serious ways. Yet here's the good news. Science is now revealing that the gut can heal, rebalance, and even thrive if we know how to support it. In this guide, we will explore 8 nutritionist-backed, research-supported strategies to dramatically improve gut health in adults over 65. These aren't trendy gimmicks or miracle fixes. They are practical, proven, and surprisingly powerful. Let's begin. 1. Rediscover the ancient secret of fermented foods. By age 65, many people have lost key strains of beneficial bacteria that once thrived in their guts. According to research from Harvard Health and Mayo Clinic, gut diversity declines with age, and this loss can weaken immunity, increase inflammation, and reduce digestive efficiency. But there is a secret weapon that humans have used for thousands of years: fermented foods. Fermented foods such as plain yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso are rich in probiotics, live bacteria that replenish your gut microbiome. These foods help crowd out harmful bacteria, aid in nutrient absorption, and may reduce symptoms like bloating, gas, and constipation. Take, for instance, Robert, a 72-year-old retired teacher from Minnesota. After incorporating kefir and kimchi into his daily routine, his chronic bloating subsided within weeks, and he reported more energy and fewer digestive upsets. This isn't just anecdotal. Studies from the National Institutes of Health confirm that consuming probiotic-rich foods can enhance gut barrier function and regulate immune response, both critical for aging populations. Aim to include at least 1 fermented food in your daily meals. Choose options without added sugar or preservatives to maximize benefits. Even just a few spoonfuls a day can make a significant impact. 2. Feed your microbial garden with prebiotic superfoods. If probiotics are the beneficial bacteria, prebiotics are their fertilizer. They nourish the microbes that keep your digestive system running smoothly. And without them, your good bacteria can't flourish. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, green bananas, and Jerusalem artichokes are natural prebiotic sources. These ingredients aren't just good for your gut, they are deeply healing for your entire body. Prebiotics also help reduce inflammation and improve calcium absorption, a major concern for seniors dealing with bone loss. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed a diet rich in prebiotics experienced improved digestive regularity, better nutrient absorption, and increased production of short-chain fatty acids, essential for colon health. Adding chopped garlic and onions to soups, stir-fries, or stews is an easy, flavorful way to nurture your gut flora every day. With each bite, you're feeding not just yourself but trillions of microscopic allies. 3. Hydration, the forgotten key to digestive vitality. Hydration is one of the most overlooked pillars of digestive health. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at conserving water, and the thirst signal weakens. This leads many older adults to live in a state of mild dehydration, which hardens stools and slows down bowel movements. Mayo Clinic recommends that older adults aim for 1.5 to 2 liters of fluids daily, unless otherwise advised by a healthcare provider. Water should be the primary source, but herbal teas, broths, and fruits with high water content like cucumbers and melons can contribute. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Not only does this hydrate you after a night of rest, but it may also stimulate bile flow and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. Dehydration in older adults can contribute to fatigue, confusion, and even urinary tract infections. Rehydrating properly is not only essential for digestion but for brain and kidney function as well. For the fiber equation, more than just roughage. Most people understand fiber as the solution for constipation, but few know that it holds the key to gut longevity and microbial harmony. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, found in oats, apples, flax seeds, chia seeds, and beans, dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance that feeds good gut bacteria. Insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and many vegetables, adds bulk to stool and speeds its movement through the intestines. According to WebMD and Healthline, older adults who increase both types of fiber reduce their risk of colon cancer, manage blood sugar levels more effectively, and maintain healthy cholesterol. Consider this. A daily tablespoon of chia seeds soaked in water provides nearly 10 grams of fiber and a host of omega-3s that reduce gut inflammation. But go slow. Drastic increases in fiber without adequate hydration can lead to discomfort. Introduce one fiber-rich food per day and observe your body's response. 5. Medication awareness. Protect your gut from hidden harm. Many medications routinely prescribed to seniors including antacids, NSAIDs, antibiotics, and even some diabetes drugs can damage the gut lining or disrupt the microbiome. Prolonged use of proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, for example, has been linked to reduced stomach acid, leading to impaired protein digestion and increased risk of bacterial overgrowth. Jane, a 68-year-old from Florida, discovered her daily antacid was suppressing stomach acid so much that it was impairing nutrient absorption. With medical guidance, she switched to a gentler regimen and saw her digestion improve markedly. Always consult a physician before adjusting medications, but be proactive in asking how your prescriptions may impact gut health. 6. Movement is medicine for your digestive tract. When you move your body, you move your gut. Gentle, consistent physical activity is one of the most underrated ways to stimulate digestion and prevent constipation. The National Institute on Aging notes that regular movement improves intestinal motility, enhances circulation to digestive organs, and lowers inflammation. Taichi, yoga, and brisk walking aren't just for balance and strength, they are direct contributors to gut health. Even light stretching can help release abdominal tension and promote bowel regularity. A post-dinner stroll could be the easiest prescription you ever fill. Just 15 minutes a day can make all the difference. 7. Calm the storm within. How emotional stress wrecks the gut. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication. This is why nervousness can cause a stomach ache, and stress can bring on a flare of IBS or indigestion. This gut-brain connection, mediated by the vagus nerve and neurotransmitters like serotonin, 95% of which is produced in the gut, is essential to understand for healing the aging gut. Chronic stress can lead to increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut, disrupted gut flora, and a weakened immune barrier. Incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine, journaling, mindfulness, breath work, or simply sitting in the morning sun. These small shifts can create measurable changes in your digestion. 8. Reconnect with rhythm, the art of mindful eating. Eating has become rushed, mindless, and chaotic. But the way you eat is just as important as what you eat. Chewing thoroughly allows digestive enzymes in saliva to begin breaking down food. Eating slowly gives your brain time to register fullness, preventing overeating. But more importantly, it brings your nervous system into a relaxed, parasympathetic state, the only time optimal digestion can occur. Make your meals a ritual. Turn off screens, sit upright, breathe between bites. This quiet, conscious connection with your food can radically shift your gut function and overall sense of well-being. Conclusion: your gut is not just a digestive organ, it's the foundation of your health. As you age, the choices you make every day shape your vitality, mental clarity, and immune resilience. Reclaiming your gut health isn't about perfection, it's about intention, compassion, and knowledge. These 8 science-backed strategies are more than suggestions, they are a blueprint for transformation. Fermented foods, prebiotics, hydration, fiber, medication awareness, gentle movement, stress management, mindful eating. Each one is a step toward healing not just your gut, but your entire life. You deserve to feel light, clear, and energized at any age. And the journey starts from within. Listen to your gut. Nourish it. And it will reward you with years of strength, peace, and vitality. Disclaimer: all images, videos, and content on this channel are provided for illustrative and informational purposes only. They do not constitute medical, legal, or professional advice. Before making any changes to your health, lifestyle, or diet, please consult a qualified professional. All visuals and materials used are either licensed or self-created. Unauthorized copying or reuse without clear attribution is strictly prohibited.